Yeah.
Hello, YouTube. We're here at the Bubbles Express car wash again. There's more people here, like the time after that. There was nobody here last time. So, Dad, there was nobody here last time.
Right.
And this is great. So there, I'm gonna zoom up close to look at the price list. The Super Combo Express is $13. The Supreme Express is $11. The Choice Express is $8, and the Basic Wash is for $5. And we're gonna try we're gonna take the Supreme Combo Express.
08 Grand Prix?
Yep. GXP. Yep. The 13.
Here's the Lexus
Supreme.
R300
Yep.
Toyota Corolla.
You know about the wash
The
process?
Mazda 66. This is the wash process.
You get free washes here, that's all I was asking.
Oh.
This is for the cars.
Oh, so basically it's actually you're buying the washes up front. You get 7 washes for the price of 5. You get
Oh.
26 bucks.
That's all right, man. Appreciate it, though.
This is the wash process here
Have a nice day.
at
too.
Bubbles Express Car Wash here in Humble, Texas.
Right on.
Yep. Here we go. That guy's scrubbing the back of the Toyota Corolla. And there was a Ram last time. Close the window.
Turn on the air so
Yep.
we don't get hot.
Yep. It's gonna get much hotter in the tunnel. Okay, we're pulling up to the tunnel. You can see the car in front of us. It's a Mazda 66. We're gonna go through here in just a second. Every time we go to this car wash, we get the Supreme Combo Express. And it's the best wash we have ever got. The guys are still scrubbing. They're scrubbing the back window of a Mazda 66 and the trunk, license plate, taillights, bumper, and the exhaust. And that guy in the front, he's scrubbing the windshield. Yep, now here we go. 5 stars for Bubbles Express Car Wash here in Humble, Texas. We come into the tunnel. There we are. In your trolley shell. Last time we were here, there was a Ram, so here we go. There's garbage on the chassis. That's below, under the car. Oh, it's where it should. Windshield wipers on. Here comes the soap. And 6 baskets side to side mirror. There it goes on the sides. And now it's doing the back. Here come the brushes. Here's some rocker panel brushes. A different soap. Oh, it smells good. Taking the brush on your side and my side. Here comes the 2 basket front to back mirror. It's wiping the car. Here comes some more brushes and another soap. Some rocker panel brushes. Some more brushes. And yay! Here comes the triple foam conditioner. Look at those pretty colors. You can see pink, blue, green, a little bit of yellow in there too. There's another mirror curtain. And the final brush. Wheel washers. We come up to the superior washers. There's the side panel blasters. See the car in front of us. Oh, it smells good. So there's some clear coat sealant. And there's a spot-free rinse. And there come the dryers. Okay, Harry, this is gonna be for you. It was a Mazda 66. And here we come up to the dryers. Once the dryers go off, we can go. And there is the car wash back there. I can't really see anything because I'm facing the sun. There we go. Take a look at those blow dryers. Aren't they strong?
Very strong.
Yep. Now we have a sign that we have to wait. Now it says to go. So pulling out now. Yep, pulling out now. And that was yet another time at the Bubbles Express car wash here in Humboldt, Texas. Oh, there it is again. And there's the other cars. I see a Ford Mustang and a Chevy Malibu. Also Ford F-150 and Toyota Hyundai Tucson. And we're going back on the street. Being directly to an eye. So that was the Bubbles Express car wash here in Humboldt, Texas. So there it is one more time. And there we go. That was the car wash. Thanks for watching.